Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and merciful, and we praise Him and we glorify Him as He ought to be praised and glorified. And we pray for peace and blessing for all the noble messengers, and particularly last of them, Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Let's start with this. Class Mammalia we were doing. So as in the previous class, we already have understood so many features of and characteristics of the Mammalia class animal, which is going to include vast variety of animals in the class Mammalia, including rat, dolphin, whales, elephant, monkeys, cheetahs, lions, and even the self-human being is also going to be included in the Mammalia, because I already explained to you why this term has been given Mammalia, because that these animals can able to feed milk to their offspring and children. Okay, they can feed the milk. So this is the main highlighted characteristic. Because of that, the name, this tag has been given, which is called as Mammalia. So let's we are discussing the further. This is the part 4 of class Mammalia, as we already have recorded in previous class. We already have listened it and understood. Next point, middle ear process. So the middle, which will be in the center, it has got the 3 ossicles. So it can be made by malleus, right, incus, and stapes. So these are the 3 parts of middle ear. And then we can see that cochlea of internal ear. This cochlea is an internal ear part which can be a spirally coiled. Coiled means something inside the structure is like this. Can you understand? So this is a spirally coiled. And this cochlea going to bear the organs of chordate. Right? And what is it is responsible for? It is responsible for receptor of the sound. So this chordate is responsible for to receive the sound, which is first it has to touch this chord. Right? These are the feature of class Mammalia. Right? Now we will move to the another feature, which is called as a functional kidneys. So we can find that in Mammalia all the animal having kidney, well developed kidney. As we have started this animal diversity too, so we have seen that there were a different type of kidney development have been seen. Looking to the small animal, they will have a mesonephric, and then we have seen in animal diversity 1, they do not have kidney but they have renal portal system. And those who have a kidney, they will not have renal portal system. Yesterday I discussed this point. Next point, that it is bean shaped. So you can see that how the kidney is looking like bean shaped. So bean, you know that the seed which we make as a vegetable. And the mammal's kidney will be also known as metanephric. Mammal kidneys are also known as metanephric. Nephron. So if it is asked that the kidneys are made up of nephron, kidneys unit are made up of, means if I will say that this is the root, okay, and I will ask the question, what is the basic unit of this root? So you will say blocks. Blocks are the actually part of the foundation. So many blocks happen and that root form. Same like the kidneys are formed by nephron. Okay, and each nephron has got loop of Henle. What is this loop? So there are number of times this kind of structure will be there in every single of nephron, in which the blood is going to be filtered and the required nutrients will go back into the blood and the toxic will come into urea. That will become with water it will get mixed and it will become urine, and it is going to be stored into urinary bladder, which is a pouch of or bag of the holding of urine, and this is informed by pulses goes to the brain and it commands that we feel like to urinate, remove of the toxic when it is going beyond the limit. Understanding? So that is the thing which we have to understand. And we know that the loop of Henle this is the structure, that's why it has got the name of loop. It is like a loop. Okay? And the Henle name given because of course those scientists who first talked about this thing. And this structure is responsible for concentrated urine. So how the concentrated urine will be happen from the blood the urea completely removed down. So of course it is becoming concentrated, again going to be diluted with mixing of the water which you drink. Okay, because it is important. If it will remain for toxic long time, it can damage the organ, and this diluting making less toxic. आप dilute कोई चीज़ को करते हो, जैसे मिसाल के तौर पे if suppose vegetables which you cook and by mistakenly if it is more spicy, what you are going to do? You are going to add some water, or if it is gravy, or you can add tomato or potatoes. So what will happen? The effect of that spiciness will be reduced. Same like that, the toxic of urea can be reduced by more adding of water, and that is the whole taking care of this nephron of kidney, which is a basic unit. So understood this point? Yes. Clear? Mammals are ureotelic. Why mammals have been called ureotelic? Because mammals body is also going to give urea, which is formed by the liver. Liver is a main organ who is getting urea. Okay? From protein synthesis. So protein will be catalyzed, it is broken down, and amino acid will be formed. And we know that it is made up of amino acid, and every amino acid has got nitrogen. Understanding? So this is ammonia. So urea also has got nitrogen. So urea is more toxic than compared to uric acid. So uric acid mostly removed by birds. So you can understand animals are very small, that's why they will not eat that much, and their physiology is different than the human being. So they are going to release very less toxic. But as compared to the human beings and tigers, they are having such big kidneys because they have to take care of, because they are totally all type of nourishment they are getting, like they are eating vegetables also and they are eating non-veg also. So of course that is going to release the toxic more compared to this other classes. So understood, student? That is. But kidneys are there in all these animals, that which is responsible for filtering the blood, giving out the toxic and giving back the blood, and essential nutrients will be also given back into the blood, because that is required for the supply of all the cells. Sexes are means male and female can be easily recognized. Sexual dimorphism, as I told, dimorphism is a morphologically you can understand this is a male and this is a female. Morphology means physically appearance, right? Well marked. Testes found in scrotal sac. So you can see in the mammals, scrotal sac is nothing but is a pouch that the testes will come out. But in embryonic time, when the baby has not been formed, that time that testis is inside in the abdomen. But just after, when the baby boy come out during the delivery time, you see that every baby boy or any other animal that has got testis outside. So that testis is in outside in the pouch actually. Why that pouch? Because that is the thermoregulator. It is maintaining the temperature even if outside is too much cold, so the sperm can be damaged. Sperm can die. If sperm can die, then that animal cannot fertilize and cannot give the birth. I mean, female cannot give birth because the ovum has to be fertilized. Are you getting? So see, for everything solid reason is there. But you see in some mammals like elephant, so they have got inside the testis is inside in the abdominal cavity. Why? Because their body temperature is low, so it will not damage the sperm. But in the case of this human being, the body temperature is more. And even for the other mammals of animals of the mammal class, they also have got some animals like tiger and panther. Their male is also has got testes outside and it is coming under into the pouch which is called as scrotal pouch, scrotal sac. So sac word is used always where the thallus or the pouch like structure is there. Understood this point? So outside the abdomen, but there are some animals, just I told you, they are in intra-abdominal. Okay. So we can see they are like monotremes, cetaceans. So that can be seen in the whale, monotremes, and cetaceans can be seen in the dolphin, sea cows, elephants. So these are the males who have intra-abdominal testes. Intra-abdominal testes. And one more thing, male has got penis, the organ which is also called as copulatory organ, the organ which can able to give out the germinal fluid which is called as the sperm, and it is also responsible for the removal of the toxic which is called as urine. Otherwise the whole body organs will be damaged. Okay, so everything has a solid reason. Fertilization, female is going to fertilize in her inside of reproductive system. Okay, except monotremates. That means whale are monotremates. Yes. So whale, their fertilization they are going to do outside of the body. So female of whale fish they are going to do outside of the body. This sperm and ovum is going to be outside in the body, even though they are mammals. So this is an exceptional case. This is an exceptional case. Viviparous means directly young one they will give out. They will give young one birth directly without egg. Those give eggs they are called as oviparous. Viviparous means they give young ones out. And we can see that the development is intrauterine. What do you mean by that? Inside the uterus. Uterus is the womb of the female animal. Uterus is the womb of, means the platform of where the child will be formed and growing by holding that uterus of the mother. The uterus is nourishing. Uterus is going to nourish that child, and then like the big size of human being formed in the female human being. The same thing is also happen other animals, female being. Understood? Now, developing embryo, even you can find that their embryo is going to, so that's what we know. The life has started from just 2 cells, that is called as zygote. After fertilization, then it became 4, it became 8 cells, cleavage, 16 cells. Then ultimately, the whole process is started that the organs and everything system, all these things form, and today the animal having trillion of cells. So this is what is an evolution. This is a true evolution. This is called as evolution. Got it? But never think that monkeys cannot become father of human being. That is not called as evolution. That is deception, foolish explanation, drama, going against the law of creator. So the real science will be never confused to you. It gives the truth fact which will be bowing down in front of God. Yes, that science we have to learn. I hope it is clear what I am trying to say. Okay. So then we can see embryo is how little more to understand attached to the uterine wall. So uterus, as I told, it is the womb of mother inside the female. So that wall is going to give the platform to the child, and the mother is going to have placenta. Umbilical cord, you remember? One deep-like structure is connected in the mother itself of 2 uterus, and another side is connected to the fetus. I mean the small that baby is called as fetus that time. Okay, infant. So placenta is supplying the whole blood. So blood is carrying the mother oxygen, nutrients, and the hormones. Yeah, not that hormones, that much hormones. Proteins, carbohydrates, excretion will be taken care by mother. That means that baby child kidney is not functioning that time. When he will come out, that time it will learn to function. Okay? So on the behalf of mother, that placenta is functioning for baby. That means small child. Okay? So you understood this much? Yes. And these all are the examples we can see. Biological name and common name like ornitho or Hanus. Okay, Ornitho-Hyeneus, right? That is the name for the duck-billed platypus. Platypus bird होता है जिसका जो mammal है क्योंकि वो अपने बच्चे को दूध पिलाता है. So I already cleared to you why the name mammal type given, because that these animals can feed the milk to their children. Kangaroo has got Marcopus. It's called as Marcopus. And Pteropus is a flying bird. Camelus is for the camel, and macaca bird is used for the monkey. Okay, macaca fuscat. There are the monkeys which are in Japan or in some kind of Antarctica place. So they have got more hairs because they have to protect their body from the chill. Chilled one. That is too much cold. Then Canis is used for the dog. Felis is used for Panthera tigris is used for the tiger, which is a national animal of the India, and the Panthera leo is used for the lion. So these all are the examples of the class Mammalia. Like this, alhamdulillah, we have completed the chapter Animal Diversity 2 with the class Mammalia, and this was the final subtopic. So thank you so much. I hope that everybody will get listen and understand number of times till when you are not convinced. Okay, thank you.